If you're an employer, you can visit the Money and Pension Service website at maps.org.uk to find out more about how you can support the financial well-being of your employees and workers, or get in touch with us to discuss this further and how we can help you. Our tips may be for employers to share with employees, or employees to have a look at them themselves. Look at doing a budget and see what money you've got coming in and going out. Stay on top of your bills, especially those priority bills like your rent, your mortgage, your heating. Knowing what bills to pay first is really important. And check your payslip. Are you on the right tax code? You can check this out yourself on the gov.uk website. And think about starting to save if you can. A great way is through the payroll savings scheme that your employer may be offering. And if they don't offer this, look at other ways you can save. For example, through an ISA account or the government's Help to Save account. And finally, I'd say, if you are worried about money, please take that first step and get some help. To find a free and confidential debt advisor, you can use the Debt Advice Locator tool on the Money Helper website, or phone our Money Guidance and ask to speak to somebody to help you. And that number's 0800 138 7777.
I would say think about what your workforce wants from a pension arrangement. Carry out some staff surveys to get some feedback on that. You may want to highlight the benefit of pension saving, in the workplace pension scheme. That is the tax relief you get plus that free money on offer by the employer. And also signpost your employees to the various wealth of free guidance on offer from Money Helper as well.